And this guy just loves taping stuff. We're gonna have to take that apart in a second, but he's got ADD. Let's see, what's he gonna do? What's this guy gonna do? What's this guy gonna do? What's this guy gonna do? What are you gonna do? What's going on, YouTubers, subscribers, gunners? We are back here. We just got everything sorted out. The Integra's in here. We had to move a couple of things around, but you know what's crazy? You probably won't believe me. I haven't even really checked this car out. So I was presented with the I presented the opportunity, and then I got it. So let's check it out together. Hopefully we have a name for him or her by this video. So yeah, let's check it out. So it is a 1996 GSR. I just looked at the title. It's painted championship white. I know the history behind this car to the T. It used to be an H to B. It got shaved down to the bare metal and painted. The paint job on this car, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. There has been a couple of dents, but we're going to try to get my boy from the paintless dent removal. Maybe he can come by and remove some of those dents on the quarter, as you can see. But the paint is flawless. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to put it on the lift and show you guys, you know, all the type. So it comes with a Type R suspension, Type R wheels. Looks like they got some slotted rotors on there, fresh, brand new pads. See a little dress-up hardware kit there. I hate the steering wheel, so I'm definitely going to change it. So, okay. So Type R front seats. Let's sit in it. I went like this to turn the corners on. What a jerk. There's nothing in it. So it looks like a detachable Momo steering wheel. If anyone wants to trade me for a Sparkle, holler at me. I don't want this steering wheel. I don't know if it's JDM or expensive. I don't give two poops. Type R climate control. Got a nice little radio here. K-Tune shifter with plate. Looks like it's brand new. Yeah, it's absolutely brand new. Sweet. Nailed it. There we go. Type R ashtray. Yeah, I can't wait. We'll strip this interior and just clean everything up. No Type R back seats. Is the bench Type R? No. Looks like just regular cloth LS's. Little grill for it, for the JDM front. Yep. Bunch of clips in here. Carbon fiber, what is this, tape or something? Yeah, that ricey. It's all good. It's all good. Sunroof, it's an original GSR DC2. So yeah. Matching VINs. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay, I see where this is going. Corner, what's it called? Fender lights? I forgot what it's called. Amber fender lights? I forget what it's called. Not really into the looks type of guy, man. I just like speed. So shaved bay, Passport race inserts. It's got the K-tuned heater crow hoses. It looks like an EG subframe, manual rack. I seen those lines right there. It might have been converted. They might have a nice fuel system in there. Brake tuck. This looks like a Chase Bays booster. I believe these are expensive. These are the ones with the HIDs, right? I know that there's some that are expensive. So JDM front. Carbon hood. Is this a VIS? It looks like a VIS, the color. I don't know what it is. But K-Sport one pieces. Really good looking car. So we got a bunch of parts here. Got an ASP header. This is around like a $1,200 header. I was so stoked that I got that. I bought this separately. So it's the actual owner of the car previously to Jamie. He sold me the Velocity stack if I'm using an Ultra, and we're definitely using an Ultra. So this is an 88mm CSS block, 12.5 to 1 There's no play in it, which I like. The motor's nice and tight. The walls look great. Sorry about the lighting. I am going to put a new pump on it. I bought the exhaust also from him, so it's a full 3-inch mandrel bent. Really light too. K-tune muffler. Got the Type R side skirts, front lip, and the bumper here. This valve cover is so awesome. Really, really clean. Really, really clean. Look at 40's fanny back. But yeah, I'm gonna put this motor together for you guys on an engine stand. Probably go buy another one because Vicky ain't doing shit with that engine stand. It's a waste of space here. I'll probably go buy another engine stand and we'll get it all buttoned up too. Got some extra parts here, fuel system and whatnot. Bought the traction bar off him, so checked out this sweet deal. I bought the velocity stack, the traction bar, and the full exhaust system for $500. I couldn't say no to that. Billy really took care of me. So yep, that's that. We'll talk about some future plans with the car, but this car will change another life also. We're gonna do something special, something big. Mark my words. Mark my words, YouTubers. Mark my words, gosh darn it. Yeah, so we're gonna have to head to Harbor Freight. Shout out to the Gunner, sent me a coupon code through the DM also. Gonna go pick up like a motor stand, like an engine stand, and get this block buttoned up on there, so we could just be one step closer to having everything prepared. So me and 40, we're gonna jump in the truck and go take a ride to Harbor Freight. We're gonna have to Google where the closest one is, and then compra uno. Alright, so yeah, my ex-boss saved me here. He let me an engine stand. This thing's been around since World War II, but it'll get the job done. Beggars can't be choosy. You ready? Domino. Yeah, let's just put it in there. Doesn't matter. I think it fits. Gotta make sure we don't break that back window, 40. We gotta hurry up. We got a Gunner at the garage that's bringing us a header for Project Driver. So we gotta get there quick. It's caught up over there. Move this stuff to the middle. There it is. Go ahead. Alright, let's take this out. Hold on. Let's take this out. Take it out. Ah, papa! Alright, we got an engine stand. Let's get to the garage, 40. Come on. Got to the garage. Got some Gunners here coming to donate some parts to Project Driver. What's your name, bro?
Ouija.
Ouija? My man. Nice to meet you.
Matt.
Matt, nice to meet you. We'll cut the camera off pretty soon. I just wanted to... We're vlogging on the Integra, so just continuing the vlog. So we'll put the engine stand in. We'll shoot the shits with my boys over here. Nice shirt, my man. There it is, man. My boy Matt and Luigi, all the way from Delaware, stopped by and brought some goodies for us. Gave us a nice header, big tube. What is this? PLM, right?
PLM.
PLM big tube, delete kit with the alternator, a bunch of Honda stuff. We got some filters in here, fluids, Honda Bond. What else did you bring? Clips.
Clips, mirrors.
Mirror for the CRV just in case.
Power window switch for the CRV.
Yeah, that's love, man. That's love. Awesome, awesome. Luigi told me an awesome story. I won't say no names in detail. I promise you, right? Let's stand this way because the lighting is awful. But I just got to get your reaction after I finish saying it. So Luigi's son loves cars, and they went to a track event, and his son was taking photos of a car, and Luigi attempted to talk to the racer of the car, and they both kind of what?
Didn't say nothing to me.
Kind of like brushed you off?
Yes.
Honestly speaking, did you think about the video Fuck a Racer when that happened?
Hands down.
It's crazy.
Yep.
It's just crazy. And then at the same time, it's like you two gentlemen are a great set of people, right? Like, look, you drove from Delaware to drop me off free parts for this next project. And it's like, those same people that brushed you off lost that opportunity of you guys helping them. You know what I mean? And then that's why when we were sitting down talking, I was saying how important this movement is and how big it could become just by us doing one thing, sticking together. You know what I mean? But I won't record you guys no more. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable. But I'd love for you guys to give a shout out. Not me. It doesn't have to be me. Anyone you want to show some love to. This will be on YouTube. So go ahead, Matt. You got anybody?
My wife and kids.
God bless them.
God
13
bless them.
years old. She's gonna be a junior dragster soon, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Luigi.
My wife and my kids. My son
Absolutely.
Joshua.
Son Joshua. Awesome. He took a picture in my car, right?
Yeah.
Honda Day. Will he be there?
Yeah.
Let's try to get him to start the car this time.
Okay.
Maybe that'll warm him up. But thank you guys so much for bringing the parts, man. We're just gonna shoot the shits for a little bit more, and then continue the rest of the vlog. All right, yeah, we got the motor on the stand. I'm gonna flip this guy over and maybe drain some fluids that are in there. I think this vlog has done enough today. We've been kicking butt all the way since the early morning. And probably some more, probably just organize a little bit better. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this one now. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had awesome experience with two gunners that showed up from Delaware. Appreciate them tremendously for all their cool gifts that they gave me for Project Driver. And yeah, we should be getting the AK-47 motor really soon. If you're watching this, I'm going to post this in the morning. Today is a drop. Yeah, so I'll post this early in the morning. Today is a drop. KeepGunning.com. We dropped the Cash Money Emily tee. We dropped the San Antonio hat. Everything is super limited. We'll never restock on this, and we are restocking all the stickers that are out of stock. So KeepGunning.com. Join the gunner movement. It's always a positive one. We do so much for each other, but most importantly, we watch each other's back. So I love you guys, man. Thank you for being here again, and keep gunning.